Immaculate finishes as well as a flexible floor plan. Hi, my name's Stefan Bertram, proudly representing Pello. I can't wait to walk you through this home. It offers everything you want from modern family living as well as sweeping water views. Let's go have a look. Entering the property, you're instantly met with endless natural light as well as high caliber finishes throughout. The property enjoys exceptional sweeping water views from every level, as well as a functional floor plan that gives you all year entertaining. Moving out to an oversized entertaining deck, you're met with endless natural light, as well as incredible space for entertaining. Moving through the home, you'll find an oversized dining area, which flows nicely into the kitchen. The kitchen is world class when it comes to high caliber stone bench tops, preferred gas cooking, as well as endless storage options. The accommodation for this property is generous across 5 large bedrooms. The bedrooms ideally boast separate living quarters, and the master has its own ensuite. Moving downstairs, you will find an oversized family room flowing nicely to the rear yard. Something that is incredible about this home and what is going to stand out to so many buyers looking in this pocket has to be these sweeping views. With a seamless indoor-outdoor flow and all year entertaining, it is everything you want when it comes to a great family lifestyle. The backyard has established gardens, level lawn, a selection of entertaining decks, as well as a heated spa. Other features include period features throughout, feature fireplaces, as well as an oversized lock-up garage. The location for this property is second to none. Positioned in a whisper quiet location, enjoying everything that Beauty Point has to offer with an easy stroll to schools, parks, and regular government transport. As you can see, when walking through this property, it offers everything you want when it comes to exceptional entertaining as well as awesome family living. If there's any questions, give me a call. If not, we'll see you at the next inspection.